15-year-old cruisers taking one to a semi-main. It'll be the 3 of Reyes, the 3 of Anthony Reyes. Your qualifier in moto number 60. 16-year-old cruisers, moto number 61. In and out of the final turn, bringing it home, the G rider, Corky Gainsford for color control. Your rider in hot pursuit's got to be Jerry Batters, Smith and Batters. Smith, Batters, all those guys getting there. Got the 204 of Brian Strunk right there in the 3rd spot. Cesar Lopez needs you to the tower. In and out of the final turn. Got to be Luna taking things over.
No, John 17.
Coming to the line, the 3 rider of Luna. Excuse me, Mikey.
On the gate. Riders ready.
Mike Luna for Haro Groupie. Your qualifier, Luna toting the 3. Moto 66 on the track right now. 17 to 20-year-old cruiser racing action continues. Moto 66 is where we're at. The 5 leading the pack is Lance Hubbard doing it for Wheeljack. Hubbard, your qualifier in Moto 66. 67, the moto on the track right now. Got the number 5 rider. Leading the pack right now is Justin Green. Factory GT rider leading the pack in this one. Justin Green sneaking a peek, bringing it to the line. The cruisers coming at you. Mirish got the 107 of Steve Spencer in the 2nd slot. It's Mirish, Spencer, and Gathright in that 3rd place position. In and out of the final turn, heading back this way. Looks like it'll be the 1 rider. Mirish, your qualifier in motor number 70. 71. Got the number 4 rider, Sean Kelly, leading the pack. Kelly. Doing it for color control. He's got some company coming, though. These guys come in and out of the final turn. Sprint to the stripe. It'll be the 4 rider, Sean Kelly.